Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to find hidden chats in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do now is we need to of course log in our account in Microsoft Teams website and after logging in, so you will see your dashboard here. Okay, so when you have a hidden chats like you did in the past months or years and you wanted to unhide those conversations right now, so all you need to do is to search the name of that specific person or a chat. So once you've searched their name, you will see it here, and after that click the name. And if you wanna unhide those conversation, just click this one, show hidden chat history, or you can also click this more options here and click the unhide to be able to see the or to be able to unhide the chat. Okay, there you go. So you are now able to see the past conversation that you did with that specific persons. That's it guys, and I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.